everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we're going to do an eye look. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I'm doing with my face versus a foundation. So I've been back using my MAC products, and of course I can't see, right? So this is NC20 Suppressed powder. Anyways, it's kind of like a foundation. It's light, right? Then I have this light. I do have a medium somewhere. I have this. I do have a medium somewhere. Where in the world is that? Because I've been putting it on my face. It's a trick. It's hiding from me. It's hiding. It's hiding from me. I have so much MAC stuff. I know you guys hear me going through my MAC. Like, what is she doing? Actually, I am going to put this on my face, and it's going to sound weird because I've lost my medium somewhere in this mess. So I'm going to put just a little bit, because I really don't have bad skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this Soft and Gentle on my face with a big brush. So we'll just go in here. It's one of my favorites, Soft and Gentle. Puts a little glow to your skin. I use this as a finishing powder sometimes, but you know, just kind of a perfect glow, right? I do sometimes go in with a little bit of concealer, and I just kind of get that and that. And sometimes here and here, and then here and here. Sorry, I was getting a note from work. And I'm on my phone filming. So, yeah, so I just kind of blend this out. Normally I remember to do it before my powder, so I'll go back in with a little bit of powder just to set it. And sometimes I don't do this. Sometimes if I don't feel like I'm like dark or whatever, dark patches under my eyes, just, you know, trying to cover up just the little stuff, right? Whatever. I'm not going to put any more Soft and Gentle on because I don't need my glow. I'm just going to go into this light and hit those areas. Cover that up. I posted a video just now, and Liz just sent me a comment. Love you, Liz. I think I spelled the name of the palette wrong. Oh, well. Oh, well. I'll fix it. Okay, so now that we got all that, I've got people calling me. I don't know who they are. Just don't know who they are. I think they're about my intern stuff. I'm sorry, right now I'm doing a little bit of face work. Just using this brush that needs to be clean, but it has, I know it has product on it from Browser. Really just trying to do some light stuff, like, and by light I mean timing, light, timing. So we're gonna go into our Jouer highlighter. And because I don't know always what palette I'm going to use, like I got to get a feel for it. You know what I'm saying? A feel, especially in the mornings. This is kind of what I do in the mornings. Just, you know. Oh, look at all those wrinkles. I need Botox. Yeah, so that's kind of it. I don't want any blush on. None of that. Just me. Yes. You heard it. Me. I did a look with that palette. I did a look with that palette. I did a look with that palette. You got so many palettes, you don't know what you've done a look with. Oh, I know I didn't do one. So I picked this up when I was shopping on BH. It was not expensive at all, but it's emerald, like it's the colors for your birthstone. And everybody knows I'm a little May baby. Baby, baby. Boom. Yes, I know, I'm obnoxious. Obnoxious, I tell you. She's absolutely obnoxious. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to just play around. Because honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Meaning I don't have a plan. I think I'm going to go into that burgundy shade and mix it with greens. Because it's like one of the few mattes. Well, we do have a mirror here, Susan. We do have a mirror. Okay. Come on now. If you don't feel like your eyeshadow is moving, like when you try and blend it out, pat it on and then blend. Like pat it in the areas you want to. Then just do a little blend. And you get a much better precise look. So today's Friday. I did have some dental surgery this morning and I'm feeling amazing. And I am petrified of the dentist. Petrified. And like I need to have some more work done, obviously. I'm fixing my teeth, like all of my teeth finally. I was on my way to doing this the last time. I had a dentist retire, then my dentist retired again, and I finally was like, the hell with it, I have to go back and get this done. So I went and saw the new guy last week, and he was like, yeah, we need to do this, 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 and this. And I'm like, great, let's do it. And the dental hygienist I have, oh my God, she's amazing. 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 So amazing this visit was that I was like begging them to do the next step. I was like, just do it. I'm already, you know, numbed up. Just do it. I'm ready. I'm ready. Put me in, coach. I'm ready. So, yeah. Came home. I took some ibuprofen, like they said. I rested. Probably longer than I needed to, but rested. Woke up. No pain. Amazing. I'm excited to go back, which is good because I have an appointment on next Thursday. Next Thursday. All right. So I'm going to do this shade of emerald, like just in the center. And like I'm using my fingers because that's what to do. That's what I do. Do, 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 do. That's what I do. Boom. Now you're like, what the, okay, I guess you're talking about. There's one glitter in here. I'm not touching it. I mean, I touched it just now, but I'm not putting that on. I don't do well with it, even with glitter glue. I just think it looks like, I don't know. like show busy. All right, now I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's a little bit lighter of a green, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye, but we're gonna do that with a brush. This is an old brush. It's a MAC 215. This brush is probably, I don't know, 25 years old or something. There's nothing wrong with it. That was back in the day when MAC used to actually do a good, oh, no, I'm sorry. Some of the brushes are good now, but some of them, like, really? Really? Butts, what are you doing over there? Spoiled. Spoiled dog. Mama's boy. All right. Now I'm going to put this shade right here on the inner corner, and then my brow bone. Working. So yeah, when like everything I need done at the dentist is only going to cost me $1,100, and I'm super stoked about that. To include whitening my teeth. And then I'm gonna get my eyes fixed. I hope the doctor will let me do it this year. I hope. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of Kat Von D brow, the pomade, not my powder. Made a faux pas on my brows, but I don't care. No, I don't. No, I don't. Well, the good thing about not having foundation on is you can fix your brows. Don't worry about your foundation. Whew. I have so much stuff. It's making me crazy. I just don't know what to do with all of it. It's making me crazy. All right, we're gonna put this Chantecaille Lippy on. And then we're gonna put on some mascara. Sure. Just looking to see if I got one open in here. I'm trying. Ooh, I got this damn girl. Damn. It's probably dried out or getting close. I just never, this mascara, I'm just using it because I have a little travel size of it, but it's not all it's hyped up to be. All right, gals, what do you think? I think it's a pretty cute look for a little cheapo palette. Cheapo, cheapo. They have them in every birthstone, so go check them out. All right, my loves, I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so, so much, and yeah, have a great weekend. Mwah.